Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp Business and picking a conversation. This is where labeling begins. Tap the three dots, choose Label, then New Label and give it a clear name. This helps you find messages faster. Use colors for quick scanning. Consistent names speed workflows. Once done, assign that label to related chats or contacts immediately so everything is organized from the first step. Make sure labels reflect action, status, or priority to be useful later. Now refine organization by applying multiple labels to a single contact. Combine status and category so you can filter by either. Go to Labels in the main menu to view all labeled items and long press a label to filter chats. This saves time when you need targeted lists. To keep things tidy, edit label names or merge duplicates in settings labels. This prevents fragmentation. Make sure updates propagate to teammates if you share the account. Finish by combining labels with quick replies and catalog links. Label a prospect as lead and use templates to respond faster. This increases conversion. Schedule weekly housekeeping, archive resolved labels and bulk update statuses so the label system stays useful. If labels disappear or don't sync, force close the app, check account permissions, and toggle backup/sync. Reassign missing labels after resyncing. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues and keeps your workflow reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.